Arrive in style with this 2014 Dodge Durango Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear defrost, security system, driver adjustable lumbar, steering wheel audio controls, integrated turn signal mirrors, child safety locks, rear AC, and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.